Hi everyone, my name is Christy and welcome to my Trying a New Makeup Product Everyday series. Today I'm so excited to try out this NARS lipstick that I have here in the Raw Seduction shade, which says Satin Finish. And I just got this in my June 2022 Boxycharm Luxe box. So that unboxing is up here on YouTube if you haven't seen it yet. And I had kind of like mixed feelings about that box, but I was really excited to get this because I am very interested in trying out NARS products, but I've barely tried any, so I'm always really excited to get some in Boxycharm. And this lipstick retails for $26, which I just think is so expensive and is why I haven't splurged on like any NARS products for myself. But I've just heard so many great things about NARS lipsticks, and this literally comes in 60 shades. So I'm really excited to see how this is. The packaging is just iconic. And even the lipstick itself, here's what the shade looks like, so pretty. It says NARS across the front. Kind of hard to see, but there it is. It almost looks too like beautiful and pristine to even use, but I'm gonna go for it. And first I'm gonna start out with a swatch. Oh, that looks so pretty. I feel like this is just such a wearable, anytime, kind of like neutral lip. So let's go ahead and see how it looks on me. It is a nice creamy formula, glides on easily. It's not full opaque color just yet, so I'm going to try layering it up. Okay, I really layered that on, trying to make it opaque, and it's just really hard to get it to look smooth and even. Like towards the inside of the lip, it just is really not sticking, and I just feel like the lines in my lips are so noticeable, and it's like creating texture there. And this shade is not as flattering as I was expecting. I thought it was going to be pretty neutral, but it's kind of coming off a little bit more like peachy orange, just not really like flattering my skin tone very much. I'm kind of surprised. I mean, it's a nice feel to it. It's like creamy, smooth, kind of feels like a lip balm. That satin finish has a little bit of shine to it. And so it does feel hydrating for my dry lips, but I just am not loving the texture. Like, it's not completely smooth, and I'm very picky about texture of all makeup in general, but like how opaque and smooth a lipstick looks. And I feel like there's gonna be a lot of transfer. So let's see. Oh my gosh. That is such a thick, full kiss mark. And it's faded so much just from that and looking even less opaque, even more like kind of texture, just like uneven. And so I'm really not impressed by this. From the color to the formula to how extremely not long lasting it is. And the fact that this is $26. Like, I have tried out $1 lipsticks that I would reach for before this one. I just don't love it. It's really unfortunate because you know how excited I was about this, but I just know this is not a lipstick that I'll be wearing for all of those reasons. So if you have a favorite shade of the NARS lipstick, I would love to hear in the comments down below what that is, because I do think the shade can make a big difference. If it's an amazing color, I can get past the fact that it has so much transfer, but this color is not helping the cause. And it is cool, like it comes in 60 shades, so there could be some incredible, amazing colors out there, but I also feel like for $26, it has to be extremely special. But now we know. Thank you so much for watching my video today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel so you can see the makeup that I try every day. And I will see you tomorrow in my next video.